Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to demo exactly how to tint your eyebrows at home. I just wanted to advise before you start any tinting, please carry out a 24-hour skin patch test. To skin test, all you need to do is mix a tiny amount of tint with Activator, apply it just behind your ear. Any signs of a reaction would be redness, itching or inflammation. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, my eyebrows are in desperate need of some tint. Here we have our vegetable-based tint, tint developer, mixing dish, brush applicator and a barrier cream. Here is a picture of my eyebrows before the tint. Guys, I have to apologise. I accidentally deleted my application video, so ignore the fact that my eyebrows are already tinted. Firstly, cleanse over the eyebrows to remove any makeup. Now let's mix our tint. I recommend 1/2 centimetre to 1 centimetre of vegetable-based tint with 3 to 5 drops of Activator. Now take your brush applicator and mix both products together well until it's a nice smooth texture. Now let's prep our barrier cream. I'm using Vaseline today, however you can use coconut oil or a lip balm. We need a barrier cream to protect stain in the surrounding areas of your eyebrows. I'm going to apply using a makeup brush. Now let's mark our guidelines. Using a long makeup brush and eyebrow pencil, place the brush in line with the outer crease of your nose to the inner corner of your eye and mark a line on the skin to mark point 1. Point 2, move the brush outwards in line with the outer corner of your eye and mark your guideline. Then finally, look straight ahead, move the brush back upwards to pass through the centre of your pupil for point 3. This indicates the highest point. Using your makeup brush, pick up some Vaseline and start applying a thin layer all the way around your eyebrows. Using your applicator brush, pick up some tint and start to fill your eyebrows as you normally would when you're applying a makeup pencil. Now apply a second layer to ensure you have coated all the hairs to the root. I'm using a dark brown. Developing time will vary. For a light to medium colour, leave the tint to develop for 3 to 5 minutes. For a medium to dark colour, 5 to 10 minutes. And a dark colour, leave for the full developing time of 10 minutes. I recommend to follow those developing times and to repeat the process until you reach the colour you're happy with. If you go outside your guidelines, don't worry, just take a damp cotton bud and tidy up. I like my eyebrows quite dark, so I leave my tint on for the full 10 minutes. Once you have applied the tint to both of your eyebrows, take a really good look in the mirror. Make sure that you're totally happy with the shape and the symmetry. During the developing stage, your eyebrows will appear very dark. Don't be alarmed, it's completely normal. Now you've reached your developing time, remove the tint using a damp cotton pad and wipe away all the excess tint. I like my eyebrows quite dark, so I'm going to repeat the process. Now for the before and after. Wow, I love them. My eyebrows look thicker and fuller with an even shape. Now that you've tinted your eyebrows, there's a couple of things I would like you to avoid. Firstly, don't apply any self-tan for at least 24 hours unless you want your eyebrows to go completely bright orange. Stay away from sunbathing and sunbeds. No chemical peels or AHA products. And just really stay away from any cosmetics for about 12 hours. Your eyebrow tint should last you at least 2 to 3 weeks. If you're lucky, maybe 4. Just do it as and when you need to. To tint those stubborn grey hairs, a little trick of the trade is before you actually start your tint, apply a thin layer of Activator over your eyebrows, leave on for 20 seconds, remove, and then do your tinting application. Don't worry guys, once you've done this a couple of times, you will know exactly how long to leave your tint on to reach your happy tint colour. Please check out the description box below for a full list of what colour tints to use depending on the colour of your hair and also what ratios of tint to mix together. Thank you so much my lovelies, I will see you soon, take care.